This is a candy bar, and the candy bar is the ultimate solution for the 285 million people suffering from diabetes worldwide. Now, there's of course other methods, including insulin injections or medicine. However, in most cases, if properly diagnosed, diabetes can be managed only with diet. However, if you're diabetic, then managing your diet regularly requires you to keep a journal of your eating habits. And this, in turn, prohibits you from having an active life. That's why I give you GLUCO, the ultimate mobile app for managing your lifestyle and facilitating doctor-patient communication for people with diabetes. I'm Pawel Wozniak, and I am a student and a researcher in human-computer interaction at the Technical University of Łódź, Poland. Now, I have a friend, and his name is Mark. He's a web app developer, but he also has diabetes and often finds himself craving for a Mars bar. Now, with GLUCO, Mark can keep track of his eating habits by photographing either barcodes from packaged food or simply making photographs of raw food. This way, he can lead a normal life while treating his diabetes with diet. Now, this may make Mark become too dependent on the application itself, and this may constitute a danger to Mark's health. This is why we include Mark's doctor in the process. So, another component of GLUCO is a web platform that enables physicians to monitor progress in terms of changing dietary habits of the patients, but the platform also provides a way to notify people when something extraordinary happens that may actually be a threat to the health of the patient. So, it is a fact that by 2020, the number of people suffering from diabetes will be equal to the population of the US and the UK combined. 95% of those people suffer from type 2 diabetes, which is entirely curable using proper diet. Now, the world spends $1,300 per year per person on treating diabetes, on medicine and insulin. Now, what I suggest is shifting some of this capital towards dietary treatment. This, of course, has been attempted before. There are devices available on the market that combine an insulin pump and a standalone gadget that lets you input information on your meal times and activities. These things, however, need you first to give a lot of explicit input into the device. Secondly, it is another thing you have to carry around. And thirdly, there is no way for your doctor to monitor the device remotely. You just have to go to the study and present the device. So, in order to promote GLUCO, what has to be done is knocking on the right doors, because as extensive research is required, you have to work with the biggest players on the market, and these are the Swiss company Roche and the Danish company Novo Nordisk. I believe that with the investment I can get here, I can construct a prototype that will convince those companies to get in touch with me and develop the idea further. So, with $1,500 US, which is the price difference between the usual insulin pump and an insulin pump enhanced with another device, we can clearly deliver a software solution based on a smartphone that will offer the same features plus a lot more. And the doctor-patient feedback element is the crucial thing here. For a lot less money than the device, we get a very crucial component. Now, the greatest challenge here is accommodating the multiple audiences. Namely, the staff must work both for the patients and for the doctors, and these people require totally different things. Now, this, of course, can be done, and the answer to it is including participatory design practices in the process of creating the application. But the clue to GLUCO's success is the user experience. If the interaction between the application, the doctor, and the patient can be modeled in a way that will make those people believe that GLUCO is an actual improvement on the status quo, then GLUCO can really succeed. Personally, I have dedicated all my short but always professional life to designing interaction and human-computer interaction, and I believe that my expertise can be used for the purposes of letting people live more comfortably. Thank you very much.